All right, what's going on, traders? Got a major announcement today, but before we get to that, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers. We finally made it across the 1K mark. I really do appreciate that. So, thank you. Appreciate it. Y'all are awesome. So for the next couple of months, I'm going to be, spending a lot of time with family. So I'm not going to be as active with things in terms of business. I'm still going to be trading and all that stuff, but I'm not going to be as active on YouTube with one exception, which leads us to the announcement that I have today. MV3 Traders Futures Trading Summer School course. All right, so this is going to be right here on YouTube for free. I'm not going to ask for your email. I'm not going to ask for your phone number. You're not going to have to pay anything to get the full course, right? It's going to be from start to finish, the full complete course. You get it right here for free on YouTube. All you got to do is turn on YouTube, come on over to the MV3 Trader YouTube channel, and then you can get all of the course for free. Now, just to be clear, I initially made this course as part of this high ticket, fully paid program, but that ended up falling through. So I decided just to go ahead and, instead of letting all of that energy and all of that time and all of that effort go to waste, why don't I just return the love that I've received here on YouTube and offer this course up here for free, right? So how this is going to work, this is an 18 module course that I'm going to release every day throughout the month of June. That's just the most feasible way that I came up with doing it. This course goes over what the futures market is. It goes over how to get started trading futures. It goes over the keys to be successful as a futures trader. And it also includes a strategy so that you can trade futures as additional income with no matter what else you're doing for your primary source of income. And that's how I trade futures. I have a 9 to 5, I have a regular job. And then, in addition to my regular job, I trade futures, which gives me additional income, right? I put all of my experience and all of my knowledge into this one course. Now that continues to evolve as time goes along. So that's where the membership comes in. So this course also comes with some resources. Now the resources side of it is not free. That part is not free. Now to also put this out, you don't actually need the resources to trade futures successfully. That's just some extra stuff. And that's gonna be a part of the strategy that's included with this course. Again, the strategy is fully laid out. It's some stuff that you can do completely on your own. You do not need these resources, but if you want the resources, they're going to be right here in the premium membership for members of the Ultimate Traders Guide, right? So you just go to, and this is the back office, so let me just pull this up. You just go to ultimatetradersguide.net, which will bring you to this home page, and you can go to the members area, or you can just create a free account here. You can get started for free with this free account. And then once you have the free account, you'll go inside the members area. And inside the members area, you'll have access to all these free resources. But for this course, to get the premium stuff, you'll go down to here, you'll sign up for premium access, which, you click that, and then to bring up this pop-up page here. If, nope, let me sign in first. So your free version to go there, and then you'll click this, you'll sign up for free, and then you can select the plan right there, right? I have annual plans and a monthly plan, okay? So that's to get the strategy resources, and then when you just come in here, and for this one, it'll be the side hustle trading course. All of the resources for this to be in here. More than likely, I'll probably add some more stuff as time goes along. So that's just one part of it. Now, if you only want these resources, what you can do is you can sign up for 1 month, and you can grab the resources, cancel your membership, so you don't continue to get charged, and then we're good, right? That's completely fine. I'm not trying to sell you on staying in the membership. But if you do stay in the membership, what also comes with this premium course is exclusive access to the premium version, or the premium section of our Discord, to where we can also see I have some resources there for this course. Now, all of the resources that I developed for the Ultimate Traders Guide, that's also going to be here, but you also get access to the premium chat. I also do plan on having live sessions for premium members, to where I really go deep into some stuff that I don't necessarily talk about on YouTube. And also, one of the videos is going to be, I haven't put it here yet. I just got this idea as I'm talking about this. I'm going to put one of the videos here that I took off of YouTube before, because we were just going really deep on what we were talking about, right? So That's just going to be part of the premium, membership for the Ultimate Trader's Guide. Another thing that's just going to save you on, so the things that I talk about in this course is going to be based off of how I use the power range. With the premium membership, you also get access to my archive of screenshots, to where I took screenshots of how the power range relates to all the futures products that are on my watch list, right? So what this is going to do is this is going to save you a lot of time in back testing, and you can just come here, and because the power range, the way that I use it for right now is it's a manual thing. I haven't created an automated tool or indicator that just automatically puts this on your charts yet. So in order to back test this, you have to manually go and look for the high and the low, and then you have to plot the fibs and all of that stuff. So instead of doing all of that, you can just come and use all of my screenshots that I've taken over several months. Now, this doesn't go back all the way to the birth of Jesus, but it does go back, several months, that you have plenty of stuff in here to do enough back testing. So now in terms of back testing, I don't actually recommend that you back test too far. I've done it before, and there's not a ton of value in going back for months and months and months. Really, back testing, in my personal opinion, you should only back test for the time period that you're currently trading in, maybe a little bit further back. But you don't need to overdo it on the back testing in order to be able to use a strategy, because the market changes and you need to be able to fluctuate with the market and change with the market, right? So anyway, getting back to what we're here to talk about. This is what you get in a premium membership, right? So, then there's going to be much more to come. Also with the strategies, I have more strategies than this, and I love to make strategies. So I will put the strategies that I already have here. You see I've already started working on this one there, and I will put other strategies here. And as time goes along, as I make more strategies, I'm going to continue to put it here. So that's another thing that you get with the premium membership for the Ultimate Trader's Guide, right? So the last thing that I want to mention is, I'm gonna go back to the members area, is as I release this course, I'm going to also put the course videos here on the proprietary courses, and they will be stored right here under trading as a side hustle, right? So what this also means is, as I start uploading courses, I'm not gonna upload a course every day. I'm going to batch upload these courses and then do all the back work so that I can release these modules every day. But that also means that they will be available here in advance before they actually get officially released on YouTube. So if you also a premium member, that's another benefit, is you can get the releases of, as I upload the courses to YouTube, or as I upload the modules to YouTube, you can get them in advance before everybody else right here. Now, one more thing that I want to mention, if you're watching this after June 2022, then I would highly recommend that you start with module number 1 and go through all the modules in order, because of course after June they will all be uploaded to YouTube, so you can watch them in whatever order you want to watch them in. But I actually had a purposeful flow to how I recorded the modules, so I would highly recommend that you go through each and every single module in order, not so I get views, of course, but so that you don't miss some key information that I put out throughout the course to get the full benefit of the course, right? So I'm not going to hold you. One more thing that I do want to put out is that part of the premium membership, for premium members only, there will be an affiliate program that sits on top of the actual membership. So for premium members only, for right now, you will be able to make some additional income as an affiliate if you sign up for the affiliate program, right? So I'm not gonna hold you up. I'm gonna let you get back to your day. I just wanted to make that announcement. Like I said before, the first course is gonna be released on Monday, and I'll see you then. Trade it easy.